Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. I love this dangle chain by the inch, and it inspired me to match it up to an Egyptian ankh charm. Ankh was a symbol of life in ancient Egypt, and I also grabbed a beautiful navy preciosa crystal gem color pearl in a pear shape, and it's just absolutely spectacular. I'm going to bring it all together with some 22 gauge wire. So I'm going to create a loop with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to leave it open. I'm going to then attach it to my 1 inch of that dangly chain. And this is a little fiddly to work with, but it's certainly worth it. So I'm finding my very top loop and I'm separating the dangles and I'm adding my wire. Then I'm going to grab some chain nose pliers and do just a couple of wraps. So I'm securing my wire to my chain. Now the next thing I want to do is take that lovely navy pearl and put it onto the wire. And I'm just sliding it right on. It goes on very nicely onto my wire. And I'm putting it with the thinner end up top because I'm actually starting with the chain at the top of my design. So now I'm creating another loop. I'm not going to do any wraps yet. I'm going to make sure that loop is right, give it a little open, and then I'm going to put on my ankh charm. And then I'm going to hold with some chain nose pliers and do some wraps at the base of that pear-shaped pearl. And wow, I am cutting off the excess, doing a little cleaning up. I'm loving this earring. And I'm going to use a beautiful French hook ear wire in the same gold tone. And I'm going to take the other end of that chain, find the last loop, separate those little dangles out, and then slide my ear wire right into that loop. And you'll want to make sure that the orientation of the charm is correct. So you may have to do some adjusting with your wire, but you'll close that ear wire up and push that close to the wire. And now you've got a beautiful Egyptian inspired earring. I absolutely love how these came out. So now I've got a beautiful pair of earrings that have the symbol of life. And they're just perfect for any time of the year. I love anything Egyptian. So these beautiful earrings are going to go fabulously with my accessories and my style. You can find everything to make these wonderful and beautiful Egyptian inspired earrings at beadaholique.com. Thanks so much for watching.